20, and then we'll pick up anything else immediately, and then the embargo will be from 10:30 on Friday night. Nothing live during the first section, please.
Claude, if we could just start with team news. Any new injuries? Anybody returning, or is it still just Matty James and Okazaki?
No news injury, and we will see with Okazaki. Perhaps match fit. We will see. Another Saturday session tomorrow, and Matty James not always available. Yeah.
And how about your new signing that joined the club a few days ago, Chagla Soyuncu? When can we expect to see him involved?
About Soyuncu?
Soyuncu, quand est-ce qu'il va jouer? Quand est-ce qu'il va jouer? Quand est-ce qu'on peut...
About Soyuncu? Yeah. Soyuncu has had an injury before coming, and for the moment it's just rehabilitation, and we will see when he can play, and when he can start with the under 23, for example.
No Jamie Vardy for the next 3 games. How big a loss is he?
Of course, it's a valuable player for us. We know his importance in the team, but I think we have to move on and to make a good confidence for the player. It will be a good opportunity for the player to show the quality, like in a show, perhaps Gray, perhaps Okazaki, if he can come back with a good fit. We will see this, but of course we know the quality of Jimmy.
Is it frustrating to lose him in that manner?
It's a little difficult. First thing for himself, I think, because it's just the beginning of the season. He need game time. He didn't make a pre-season. I think the most important thing now it will be to work with him and to try to grow up about his physical, because I said he didn't work in pre-season, and without game time now it will be difficult to maintain a good level. It will be the challenge for our staff and for Jimmy to continue to work well and to be ready for the next games.
And now I guess it's the chance for somebody like Okazaki or Iniacho to come in and prove that they can start and perhaps give you that bit of selection dilemma when Vardy comes back.
For this game, we will see the selection, of course. It's just for my staff, player, and me. The most important thing is to have some choice and to have a lot of players available to continue the work. It's the most important thing.
Have you spoken to your players since about trying to remain calm and avoiding situations like that? Or is it just, the heat of the game, it's going to happen?
Vous avez parlé avec vos joueurs de l'importance de rester calme, de ne pas trop s'exciter, ou est-ce que vous trouvez que c'est quelque chose qui est arrivé de voir comme ça?
No, I think it's just one time. I think, for example, last season it was a sending off from Ndidi for 2 yellow cards. It was harsh because for me it was not a foul for his second yellow card. But this come and after we have to have the good reaction behind, the good attitude, and to maintain a good level in the team. I think we have a lot of players close together and ready to give their best on the pitch. Of course, we know the importance to finish a game with 11 players, of course, and also to have our valuable player for all the time. But it will be, I said, a good opportunity for Iheanacho or the player to show their quality.
And we've seen that you can get goals from elsewhere on the pitch. James Maddison got his first goal last weekend. How pleased have you been with how quickly and how well he's settled into life in the Premier League?
I think it's a good start for him, but for all the players, he has to confirm his good start and to play with consistency and with good performance all the time on the pitch. Of course, it was a great start. He came from a championship. It was the first work in Premier League. I think it's interesting to see him in this level. We try to also to develop him in a new position, number 10, just behind a striker. His position different than he played in the past. It was a box-to-box or defensive midfield, but I think he has all the good attributes to play in this position and to develop his good understanding with his teammates, with Gray, with Iheanacho now, with different players. But I'm confident about his quality and about his listening for the moment. I hope he continues like this.
I spoke to Ben Chilwell this morning, a good friend of James Maddison, of course. He thinks that he will play for England this season. Do you share that belief?
I think as a manager, it will be great to see him high level and to play for his national team. But I think he has to keep a good focus, good concentration in his games, and if he has a good reward, it will be fun for him, for his teammates. But for the moment, I want to keep a good focus about his games.
And what did you think to the goal celebration, him and Chilwell?
La façon de Maddison et Chilwell de fêter le but qu'il a marqué, qu'est-ce que vous avez pensé à ça?
It's a young boy. So yeah. No, all this shows a good understanding between players. It's a generation with the same age, and they can share a lot of things. They respect the opponents. They respect the football, and I think it's great to look at this player enjoy in their game and give a good feeling also for his teammates or for our fans also. I think it's a good thing.
Another young player of yours, Wilfred Ndidi, signed a new 6-year contract, a big deal for him. Yeah. Why was that important?
We forget almost he is just 21. It's crazy. He's like a experienced player, and I think he made a lot of progress, and he continue to improve. He's a winner ball. We know this, but now I think he improved in his start with the ball and with quality. He's comfortable with the ball, with good control, good passes, and he has the capacity to take information and to give the good direction. He can play forward, and I think it's great to have this play in the team, because he gives with his attitude, his spirit, he gives strength for the team and direction in our play. And I'm happy, of course, he continues the way with us.
Well, we're talking about new contracts. I asked you about this last week, but is there any progress in terms of Harry Maguire signing a new deal?
I agree to speak about contract effective, but after all the thing, I cannot have a comment, another comment. We will see. It's just the good things, the good feeling with the team. It's a discussion with all the players, and it's important this player can be happy with their teammates and in their club, and we will see with Harry.
You're playing Southampton next. Is it important you try and keep the momentum going now from that win last weekend?
Of course, it will be important to keep a good momentum, to develop this momentum, because it's just the beginning of the season. I think Southampton away, it will be a difficult game. They have a good spirit. They made a good game away to Everton. They deserve perhaps other results. And in the play, in the spirit, in the attitude, it was a good game. And I think against us, it will be a tough game, but a good challenge. I think they have a good level, a good player. I know, of course, a lot of play, but with good addition in the team also in the transfer window. And I think this team will build a good momentum after us also, I think.
Danny Ings, somebody that your team will have to look out for?
Vous allez devoir faire très attention à un joueur comme Danny Ings, j'imagine.
Yeah, but they have a lot of possibility, good attributes, good striker, midfield, defensive midfield. I think they lived difficult season in the past, last season, and they come back in Premier League this time with I think with a good attitude, good spirit, and it will be a tough game, but I repeat, a good challenge for us.
Thanks, Kirsten. Rob?
Hi, Claude. You did very well down at Southampton last season, of course, comprehensive victory. Bearing in mind you did used to manage there, was that perhaps the most satisfying result so far since you came here?
I think last season it was another year. It was last season with a group sometimes in difficulties, and when I saw them against Everton, for example, I saw a team ready, compact, with a good play and good things, good style of play on the pitch, and I'm sure it will be a different game and tough. I think we are close together, and yeah, it will be a good challenge.
They struggled last season, but from what you say there, do you think they will be competing alongside you for European places like they were when you were the manager there?
Ils ont eu des difficultés l'année passée, mais d'après ce que vous venez de dire, vous trouvez qu'ils vont être peut-être un rival pour se qualifier pour l'Europa League?
Before speaking about rivals and opportunity to play European games, for our part, we have to build our momentum, our play, and to play against a lot of teams. We know all the difficulty to play against all this team in Premier League, and we cannot have an objective at the beginning of the season. We will see later. For the moment, the most important thing it will be to make progress and to grow up together. Of course, Southampton, like a lot of teams, can have a good possibility to play in the first half of the table, like a lot of teams at the beginning of the season. I think all the teams have a good opportunity, have a good feeling also to try to play more possible, and we will see.
They were also keen on James Maddison, so that's why. Is that another reason why his arrival was so important to, be, I guess, ahead of your competitors in the league?
Eux aussi se sont intéressés à Maddison, donc j'imagine que le fait qu'il a signé pour vous, c'était très important parce que vous restez devant plusieurs autres équipes qui leur aident.
Yeah, but I think They took good players also with good attributes like Ings, Armstrong, and Van Herba. I think they have a solution. A lot of player in the squad with good attributes, good quality, and I respect a lot this club, this players, their staff, and. No, it's not now a competition about the last transfer window. This is finished, and we have to keep a good focus, concentration in our game because it will be not the same game last season.
I know you want to play down their almost expectations, but people like Ben Chilwell and James Maddison who want to get into the England side, can you use the fact that England play here next month as a motivation? Because speaking to Ben Chilwell this morning, he certainly is aware of that fixture.
Je sais que vous voulez minimiser un petit peu, calmer les attentes, mais pour des joueurs comme Chilwell, Maddison qui voudraient jouer au niveau pour leur équipe nationale, est-ce que vous pouvez utiliser le fait que l'équipe nationale joue ici le mois prochain un peu comme motivation?
I think they have this motivation. It's normal for a young player, young England player to think about the national team. It's a fantastic motivation for them. I think I encourage them to think about the national team, but they have to perform all the times with consistency and with a very good level, and we will see in the future. We have a lot of players can be interesting by the national team. We try to develop a young player. And with the support of experienced players, I think it's a good balance to develop them. And of course, if we success to give them the possibility to play for the national team in the future, it will be great for Leicester Club because we try to have results, but we try also to develop a young player. I think it's important for the national team, not just to buy experienced player, and I know great teams need valuable player to play the championship, to play the Premier League title. But I think also notre devoir,
our duty
is always to develop a young player, a young England player for the national team. And happy with this way we took with Leicester Club.
And just finally from me, Demarai Gray, you mentioned you had a few options to replace Jamie Vardy up front. He kind of moved forward in the game against Wolves, and he's played a lot there, I think, for you in pre-season, for England under-21s. Do you see him having a future in that position?
We will see. I think in the future, Demarai has all the attributes to play in this position because he can take. He's fast. He likes to play with James. They are friends, and his good ability to take space, to repeat the effort, and to make difference. But I am happy about his beginning of season also in the side because I think he play with more freedom in his play. It's interesting. He try to dribble, to make penetration, to give a good pass or good crosses. I want to continue this way. And I think a versatile player with the possibility to play winger or striker, it's a good thing for the team. It's a good thing also for the future, perhaps for the national team. For the moment, I think it's important to develop this boss position, and we will see.
Claude, with your wingers in mind, how difficult is it with the quality that you've got? I know you want quality all the time, but Diabate and Gazelle, Albrighton and Gray, those wide players, keeping them happy and even keeping them in the squad, how difficult is that for you right now?
Yeah, perhaps sometimes it's a difficult thing, but I think we we will play a long season, and we know different things, different injury, or player not enough fit. Sometimes we need and it's a possibility also, I hope, to continue in different competition to keep a good level, a good quality, without always the same team. I said at the beginning, I think we have a team with player close between themselves, and it's a good possibility to continue to develop them. Without losing a player with a bad attitude or disappointment. This, of course, is difficult, but it's our management about the staff to try to keep all these players with good competition between themselves and with a good spirit, and to continue to improve all these players. And when I say that to develop as a young player, it's always to develop experienced player with a good maturity, because we can continue to work with them and to move on. I'm happy with this.
With that in mind, do you pick your squad this weekend, and have you got Tuesday's game in the League Cup in the back of your mind as well?
I don't know. Typical team. I think our game again on Tuesday. It will be a good, very good team, and with quality. And I said we have a player close and with fantastic attributes. And I want to maintain the level against Southampton, against Fleetwood also. For me, the most important thing is to allow all these players to have game time and to continue to progress. I'm not in my head starting play since it's just the beginning, the third game of the season. I want to develop a team and a lot of players with the ability, the capacity to play and to start in the team. Just this, and I think we have a good balance with different players with different attributes. And Diabate is another attribute with good penetration. Gezal, I think, improve, and we will see it's a fantastic player with a left foot and can give a good service for his striker. We have a lot of possibility. Brighton is another attribute, and important to give solidity and consistency on the team. Sometimes it's Ricardo more up also on the pitch. I think it's fantastic. We have a lot of solutions, and I hope we can continue to keep the spirit and the good attitude in the team, of course, and to have this competition and also all this possibility to allow the team to keep to maintain the good level.
I was going to ask you about Ricardo. Were you expecting him to play as high as he does and get forward as much as he does and generate so many assists and opportunities, goal-scoring opportunities? Did you expect this from him?
Vous croyez que Ricardo, il allait créer d'occasions, donner des assists, jouer assis devant en attaque?
He's a versatile player. Yeah, he can play. It was normally in the academy. It was a former player in the academy. He was a winger, and after he played behind, because I put him behind. Left back with Nice, and of course he can play right back, left back, and winger. I think he has this ability to give, to make a good penetration, to dribble. He has a good quality, of course. He's also, and he can defend well. It's a good thing.